beautiful these vases are. This one actually looks like a Lady Dior bag, and I think I need it. So cute. Some stuff for my office. I'll just show you now. This pink quartz end table is so cute for the office. Guys, welcome to my Homegoods haul for my office. There's a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna try to do it in under 10 minutes. So we're gonna start with, I guess, the artwork since it's all laid out. I have a big white desk and it's been sitting in the office, which is the third bedroom, which is completely just empty. There's really nothing in there but this desk. I wanted wallpaper from I'm doing a Parisian theme for the office, and the wallpaper inspiration I have, we're doing one wall with wallpaper, and it is the Dior print wallpaper. It's blue. I'll pop it up on the screen, but I mean, it's definitely pricey, and I'm just renting here. This is not my home. Like, I don't own this home, so I don't really want to invest in Dior wallpaper. I found a similar one online. It's beautiful blue Parisian print. You know, it's just as good as the Dior one, if not better, who knows. Just like Dior, the theme is blue and white and Parisian style. I actually just got these at Homegoods. I was lucky that they had a lot of what I was looking for. There's a lot of gold frames, like antique looking frames, which is so great. And I can't wait to go to the Paris flea markets because I will search for very similar paintings, but those will be like the real deal antique paintings. This giant one, this is going to be one of the bigger ones. Let me show you. It's a sofa. It is a blue sofa, blue background. This one's really, really cool because it just really brings all of the other art together. And should I put the prices up too? This was only $16.99. Just putting them up on the wall in a giant collage. Actually says Vogue. This one was $24.99. Look at that. I really liked the leaves, the green leaves. It brings a tropical vibe to the room, and this is like vintage looking, so super cool. I love that. So the last painting is this one. Now, this one was really cool, $16.99, and I got it because you guys know I love jewelry. Look at her sapphire crown that she's wearing, sapphire and diamond. Sapphire is my birthstone. This painting is really cool. I loved that. I got two of these Rachel Zoe frames with this beautiful gold 3D frame. I got this mirror. It's antique looking. This is what you actually see in the Paris flea markets. Got it on sale for $21. Look how beautiful it is. It's pink quartz. I've always wanted a bathroom sink with pink quartz. This is absolutely stunning. I wish it was actually bigger. $69.99. They had two. The other one was tiny, so I got the one that was bigger. But I mean, you can see how small it is. It's tiny, so it'll be like an accent table. Marble with brown in it and beige. And it's flat on the bottom. And I got this because it obviously matches my coffee table. I'll pop up a picture, but it's not going on the coffee table because it's too similar. It's going to complement the coffee table by sitting on the bar cart. I found a spot for it already, and it just brings like the whole room together, the green and marble. I'm getting the beautiful, beautiful glass vase that looks like a Lady Dior bag. It's like an iridescent glass color. It's just gorgeous. $16.99. I know these will sell out really quickly. Look how beautiful my new glass Dior bag is. Love it. I actually saw this like while I was about to pay for my office. This is absolutely beautiful. So it's a blush toned box. It's acrylic, it's beautiful, and it has this gorgeous, gorgeous, I love earthy things, this green marble, a gemstone looking ball in the front of the box. It's just so pretty. I'll use it to like store small things. This was $29.99. Something that I'm planning on doing on my desk is, I love using marble to keep things very chic looking. This is real marble, it's heavy, only $20. So I'm putting this on the desk, just like this. And I got this for $6 on sale, this gold. It's a toothbrush holder from the bathroom section, but I'm going to put it on, oops, sorry. I'm going to put it on here and put pens in it because it's so chic looking, and then put this on the desk. Just to wrap this up, so I also got this spinning, 20 bucks. It spins, it rotates, and I'm using this for like post-it notes and pens and stuff on the desk. So I also went a little crazy in the book section. I got this really pretty notebook, and I love this because it's great quality for $8. I mean, it has gold edges on the paper. The paper is nice and thick, but this looks like the wallpaper I want to put up, so I just love that. I'm going to put it right on the desk. Oh, these are awesome. So for the office, since we're doing the Vogue Parisian theme, I got a Vogue. This is really awesome, you guys. It's a Vogue coloring book, but it's like for adults. This was $9.99. This is going on top of the desk as well for show, but look at that. It's just like sketches that you can color. I mean, I don't color, but I just think this is really chic for the desk. So this is called The Legendary Estates of Beverly Hills. This was $60. It was a bit pricey, and that's because the publisher is Rizzoli. Coffee table book brand. It's a very thick, heavy book, but this is really cute. I might put this in my bedroom. Making progress. Look how beautiful the desk looks. And the rug I got from Costco. It's very pretty. I love it. Back at Homegoods because I'm looking for a blue bench for the office. I saw them the other day, and now I'm noticing that they have like eight different styles, and I need to pick one. I like this right here, and I like that one with the white. I can't decide. Oh my gosh, there's also that long blue one there. I'm freaking out. These match my wallpaper. Oh my gosh. Wow, they have more boxes at our Homegoods here. You guys saw me get the pink one for my bedroom, but look at these for the office. I don't know why pillows make me very excited, but they do. Okay, this is everything I'm buying because I'm not doing an unboxing, or a Homegoods haul. This is everything I'm getting for the office. Day 2 of shopping. I fell in love with this giant bench. I chose the larger one. They're in here, the bench is in here, the lamp. And here is the beautiful desk. She is done. I will show you all of the amazing features on this desk once I set it up. It's amazing. My printer will be on here. You can raise the desk. It has so many outlets to charge things on here, but I'll get into that later. I'm just so happy. The progress, this bench is gorgeous. My office update, my computer chair came from Amazon, and I'm just so excited. Obviously, I have to build it still, but I wanted to show you guys how beautifully it matches the room. Yeah, Louie, look. I can't even express how comfortable it looks and feels. And the color is just absolutely perfect for in here. When I put Parisian office vibes in Pinterest, this came up, and of course I had to get it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think it was like $149.99. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I even have magazines that go with the vibe in here. I have Harper's Bazaar France. This is a really cool one. This is Kim Kardashian's Vogue cover for France. I got it in October of last year. Hermes. Of course, I take them when I go in the store, but this is just like helping with the whole theme. This pillow was $20 at Homegoods, and it could not match the theme any better. I mean, look at the gold detailing on the edges of the pillow. We have like gold foil, a beautiful scene. Also, really quickly. I can't wait to show you this. My boyfriend collects guitars, and he bought this Gibson guitar to match the office, and it is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. It matches the office color-wise. Okay guys, here it is. It is a Les Paul custom Gibson guitar. Oh my gosh, look at this. The wood is stunning. It has gold. I'm not sure what's going on here, but this is like the most beautiful guitar I've ever seen in my life. How me is it? The blue. Wow. Come here, Louie. Look. Look at this. Look at the guitar. Look. You like it? And then there's the case for it, and I'm thinking about hanging it in the corner there. Okay guys, I wanted to give you an update. So the guitar is hanging, and it is as beautiful as ever. The guitar hanger is from Amazon. Fortunately, my boyfriend collects guitars and knew how to hang this. I have no idea about guitars, but this is pretty cool. The bookshelf is not complete yet. I do want to get some vintage books from Paris to put in these shelves. Boxes, the trunks are stacked here, and dun da da, the wallpaper. Yes, this is peel and stick from Amazon. I'll link it down below. Anyone can do it. They have like 4 different colors. They had light blue. I wanted a navy blue because I like the navy contrast with all of the light blue. So all of the artwork needs to be hung, and that will be the finale of this video. And it's going to look so cool on top of the wallpaper, all the different kinds of Parisian art that I've sourced from HomeGoods. It's literally just rows of peel and stick. And that's kind of what it looks like up close. Got really lucky when I went to all the HomeGoods and found everything that was perfect for the room, like this lamp. You know, absolutely everything here is here is the wall. It is finally done. I'm obsessed with it. It is that very cool old French print, and it has all of these French themed artwork pieces. I love this one because she's wearing a sapphire and diamond tiara. These are pictures of me in Paris that I shot in 2021 next to the Eiffel Tower, of course, and I have 2 of these in the office. These frames are absolutely beautiful from HomeGoods. I love this one. This one's super fun. It says, "Don't kill my vibe." She's wearing pearls. I just love the modern touch to that. And then there's a beautiful painting here of somewhere in Paris. I love that. So this is a really fun way to bring some professional chicness to your office. I have this rotating cart, and in here I have thank you cards that I could need in the future, but you know, more importantly, I wanted them to all have the theme of the office, which is this beautiful blue and white print. They all match. They're all different. Some are blank, some are thank you cards, and I just love how it rotates. It's so chic. Just easy, small touches like this make your space look so much more expensive. And I love this card here. It's a beautiful cake that really matches the wall here. So beautiful, right? I'm obsessed with my little card rotating cart. Also, it's little small touches like this. I have this beautiful vase here, a candle that matches the wall. It smells like French linen, and I bought these really cool jars to hold my pens. They're actually toothbrush holders for bathrooms, but I like to mix and match the prints. And then I put them all in a marble, beautiful circular tray. You can find that stuff in the bathroom section at HomeGoods or any decor store. Also have journals here that match the wall. This beautiful tissue box cover. I mean, that was one of the first things I bought. I fell in love with it. All of the journals really just match the whole office here. Even my drawers, they all have a theme. Everything's on theme. My planner for next year. I'm super prepared. I'm a Virgo. I'm very organized. a pouch in here. These are all of my little notepads I keep in here for places I've traveled to. I always collect the notepads. Of course, you guys have seen this beautiful Gibson guitar. And this is the bookshelf we got from Amazon. It has just some things on it. It's not completely full right now. I do want to get a bunch of vintage books. I actually use them to store my things. These are completely full of things I purchased and I just wanted to store them inside. And then next to it, I have my beautiful bench here. I've already shown it to you. It's also good for storage. Okay, one of the features I wanted to show you and why I love this desk so much is because it has different levels and you can raise it. Okay, so it's already on number 1 now, and I'm going to program it to number 2. So it raises and it turns into the height where you can actually stand up. And if you'd like to work and stand to not sit down all day, this desk is perfect for that, and I love that about this desk. We've programmed each one, so this is number 3. It's very easy to do. It's very smooth, you guys. I mean, this desk is amazing. And then the last one, height number 4, and you can really see how it just goes up so effortlessly, so smoothly. So this is actually the level it's on right now, so you can actually stand and work with your computer, and I love that option. I love that I can do that in my home office. We also leveled the artwork so it wouldn't run into the desk, and everything is just perfection. The printer is on here. I didn't want a cluttery desk. I will keep my laptop here on the actual desk, and I'm just truly obsessed with this. You can actually charge your iPhone here, anything you want. You plug in the desk and it has your back throughout the whole workday. I love this desk. And now I'm basically putting it back to number 1. It's very quick too. And just like that, it is back in place.